birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sandy. Birthday to you. You can close your eyes and
Mag-anak na Vic Soto, Pauline Luna at Tali invited sa third birthday ng anak ni Paulina Soto. Apo nga ito ni Vic Soto kay Angela Luz at napakasaya ng birthday celebration. At naging perfect dahil complete ang lolo at lola ni Sachi Briel.
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sandy. Birthday to you. You can close your eyes and then wish. Wonderful! 3 cheers for Sachi. When I say hit it, you say hooray! Hit it! Hit it! Hit it!
Ginanap ang birthday ni Sachi sa Alabang Country Club, Muntinlupa nitong September 10 Sunday, 3:30 p.m. Napaka-engrande ng binigay na selebrasyon para kay Sachi. Si Pauline Luna panay kuha nga sa apo na si Vic Soto. Napakalambing nga raw kasi ni Sachi kapag dumadalaw ito sa bahay nila at naging magka-close sila ni Tali. Habang si Bossing naman nakaupo lang habang pinapanood ang kaganapan. Masayang nandito sa birthday ng apo.
All of you, I'll see you around.
Mermaid theme nga ang birthday ni Sachi at ito nga ang hilig. Nakakatuwa ang mga special numbers para sa mga bisita. Go na go lalo si Bossing. Napakagaling talagang magpasaya ni Bossing. Pilit na pilit ang pagkanta. Kakaiba talaga pag-present sa mga celebration si Vic Soto. Marami nga siyang napapasaya at talagang naghihiyawan. Sobrang nag-enjoy din naman si Tali Soto. Ang daming nasalihan na party games at sobrang na-enjoy ang giant bubbles. Napakabilis nga ng panahon, 3 years old na ang anak ni Paulina. Ito ang birthday message niya para sa anak. Happy 3rd birthday to the light of my life, my beautiful Sachi. I am infinitely blessed to be able to witness you grow up to become such a bright and funny little girl. You make me proud every single day. I love you more than words can ever describe.
Bida. Go, Sobe!
Ito naman ang birthday message ni Lola Angela. Happy third birthday to my very beautiful grandchild Sachi Brielle. It's hard to put in words how wonderful life has been as grandmother to this precious little human being. There has never been a dull moment. Every day has become so exciting, just wondering what cute and funny thing she will do next. To put it quite simply, she has become the center of our universe. She's adorable and smart, spunky and precocious, funny and playful, and just a joy to be around. She makes me proud to be a Glama, and she owns my heart completely.